In today's lecture, we will do some more questions based on indefinite integrals. In the last lecture, we had covered till question number 12. So in today's lecture, we will start from question number 13 and we will go till question number 15. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Let's start with question number 13, which says that integration of sine 101x into sine to the power 99x dx is equal to. We have to integrate basically this thing. Right, so the hint of this question is, as you can observe in the options, all the terms are basically in power, either power 100 or sine 100x upon 100, right? So see, 101x can be written as 100 plus x, right? Sine 101x can be written as sine 100 plus x, right? Because we need to convert all the things into 100 thing, right? So after that, when you will when you will expand this expansion using the formula sine a plus b, then you will easily get the integrable form, right? So okay, let's try to solve this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. As we have discussed, I is equal to integration of sine 101x into sine to the power 99x dx. So 101x can be written as sine 100x plus x into sine to the power 99x dx, which can be written as sine 100x plus x can be written as sine 100x into cos x plus cos 100x into sine x to the power into sine to the power 99x dx, which is equal to sine 100x into cos x into sine x to the power 99, multiply sine x to the power 99 whole in the internal things. So sine 100x into cos x into sine to the power 99x dx plus cos 100x into sine to the power 100x dx. Right. So now it can be written as sine 100x into sine to the power 100x sine to the power 100x upon 100 sine to the power 100x upon 100 minus. See, we can easily apply integration of by parts, right? Integration of by parts. First function is this, second function is this one, right? So in the second function, if you will take sine x as t, then cos x dx will be dt, right? Therefore, integration of cos x into sine to the power 99x will be, because integration of t to the power 99 upon 99 dt is basically t to the power 100 upon 100, and t is sine x, right? Therefore, after using integration of by parts, it will be sine 100x into sine to the power 100x upon 100 minus integration of cos 100x into 100 into sine to the power 100x upon 100 dx, right? So this is basically for by using integration of by parts. So 100 and 100 will cancel out. Clear? And now this term will left, which can be written as plus integration of cos 100x into sine to the power 100x dx. Right? Now see, you can easily cancel out this one and this one. Right? This one and this whole term. Like this whole term and this whole term, right? Can be cancelled out because minus and plus are there, right? Minus and plus are there. Clear? So you are left with only this term, and this term will cancel out. So you are left with only sine 100x into sine to the power 100x upon 100 plus c. Clear? So I think option A is the right choice. Option A is the right choice. Got it? So this was the method to apply in this question, right? Okay. So let's move to the next question, question number 14, which says that you have to find integration of root over 2018 to the power 2x upon 1 minus 2 to the power 18 to the power 2x into 2 to the 2018 to the power sine inverse 2018 to the power x dx is equal to. Now see, the hint of this question is, again, you can take 2 to the power 2018 to the power x as t, right? You can take 2018 to the power x as t, then you will see that the equation will convert in the integral form after adjusting the terms, right? After adjusting and simplifying the terms, okay? So again, you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. I is basically integration of root over 2018 to the power 2x upon 1 minus 2018 to the power 2x into 2018 to the power sine inverse 2018 to the power x dx. So I is basically integration of 2018 to the power x upon root over 1 minus 2018 to the power 2x into 2018 to the power sine inverse 2018 to the power x. Now let's take sine to the power sine inverse. Let's take sine inverse 2018 to the power x is equal to t. Therefore, 1 by root over 1 minus 2018 to the power x whole square 2018 to the power x square into 2018 to the power x ln 2018 dx is equal to dt, right? Therefore, the final equation will convert to I is equal to 1 by ln 2018, 1 by ln 2018, right? One integration of 2018 to the power t dt, right? 2018 to the power t dt. What we have done basically, we have multiplied and divided by ln. In this equation, we have multiplied and divided by ln 2018, 18 and 1 by ln 2018, right? So what we got? So this in this you will get dt 1 by ln 2018 integration of 2018 to the power t dt, right? You will get this one, okay? Right. Therefore, I is 1 by 2 ln 2018 into integration to 2018 to the power t dt. Right. Therefore, I will be I is equal to 1 by ln to 2018 into 2018 to the power t upon ln 2018 plus c, which will be further I is equal to 2018 to the power t upon ln square 2018 plus c. Therefore, I will be equal to ln 2018 e square into ln square into 2018 to the power sine inverse 2018 to the power x plus c. Clear? So I think option A is the right choice. Option A is the right choice. Got it? Option A is the right choice. Fine. So let's move to the next question. Question number 15, which says that integration of e to the power x log x plus 2 by x minus 1 by x squared dx and dx is equal to. So see, again, the hint of this question is, see, you can do 2 or 3 things. First thing, you can convert these terms into the formula of e to the power x into fx plus f dash x. Then finally, the integration of that will be e to the power x dx, e to the power x fx, right? E to the power x of x. And after that, you can after that the term you will get will come in an integrable form, which will be either we have to apply integration of by parts or something else, right? So see, you must adjust the interior portion. You try to adjust the interior portion to convert this thing into an integrable form, right? To convert this thing into an integrable form. Clear? So okay, try to apply the things. Try to apply the methods to expand the interior portion and try to convert it in the form that we have discussed. Okay. So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. I is basically integration of e to the power x log x plus 2 by x minus 1 by x squared dx into dx. Now it is equal to integration of e to the power x log x plus 2 by x is basically 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx and whole dx. Now I is equal to integration of e to the power x log x plus 1 by x. You can easily take log x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square. See, you can easily observe that why we have done this. Log x, why we have removed, why we have separated these things, right? Log x plus 1 by x and 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. So I is equal to integration of e to the power x. Now see, you can easily see that if you convert this as fx, then this term will be f dash f, right? And we know that integration of ex into fx plus f dash x dx will be equal to e to the power x into fx plus c. Therefore, I is equal to integration of e to the power x, and fx is basically log x plus 1 by x, right? Therefore, I is equal to integration of e to the power x log x plus 1 by x dx plus c1x, right? Plus c1x. Clear? Ex log x plus e to the power x 1 by x plus c1. Right. Therefore, I is equal to integration of e to the power x log x plus 1 by x dx plus c1 dx. Therefore, after integrating this thing, you will get I is equal to e to the power x log x plus c1x plus c2 plus c1x plus c2, right? Got it? So in this way, option A is the right choice. Option A is the right choice. E to the power x log x plus c1x plus c2 is the right answer. Got it? In this way, we have discussed different types of questions based on indefinite integrals. And hope you understood how to apply the concepts, right? And how to approach the question, how to think about the question. Clear? And you'll also observe that for a particular question, there is a particular method to how to convert it into an integrable form. Most of the question you will see that in the question on the first visual, you'll not be able to get how to convert that in integrable form. But after the successful substitution and simplification, you will be easily observe that you will be easily observe and try to make these things into an integrable form, right? Hope you liked the lecture. Hope you understood the concept that we have discussed. Okay. Thank you so much.